Please, can someone help me? I need to sneeze. Wait for the sneeze, doctor. Just take a seat. He'll be right with you. Sneeze if you have to. Sneeze if you need to. Don't hold it in, just be sure that you cover your mouth with a tissue. I will assist you. Sneeze all your troubles away. Add up to 150 miles an hour. Sneeze all your troubles away. Add up to 150 miles an hour. I think I have a remedy, perhaps in my potpourri. I bought it from a merchant in Spain for ultimate sneeze satisfaction. Try allergic reaction. Take a deep breath. If it helps, you can squint at the sun. Or here's some pepper. I know. Try this feather. Don't be afraid. Set it free. Let it go. 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 Go, 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 go. Interesting fact. The photic sneeze reflex, or sneezing when exposed to bright light, is a genetic trait found in 25% of the population, including dirt. Gesundheit. Sneeze if you have to. Sneeze if you need to. Accidentally sneeze on your neighbor. Oh, hey, that hurt.
Ich bin ein Schnieser.
And now it's time for helpful humanitarian songs with Mr. Lunt. The part of the show where Mr. Lunt comes out and sings a helpful humanitarian song. Well, he's a mangy old pet. If you saw him, I bet you'd walk the other way. So sad and alone, with his hair overgrown, like a stinky old toupee. Oh, not for penny. Please give a glaze to make him smile. Thank you, ma'am, or troubled beast. Won't you at least comfort him a while? Sir, can you spare a donut for penny? Please help my doggy friend. Thank you, kind sir. A honey dip would really help his broken heart to mend. His broken heart to mend. Well, just look at this cup. He's brightening up. Oh, he's looking not so weak. Oh, Penny. His outlook was grim till you gave pastries to him. Oh, look, he wants to speak. Oh, doggies have feelings. And doggies need love. Yes, boy. And doggies like sweet, doughy treats that come from above.
Around, around, around.
What's going
These
on?
donuts are dreamy, they're founding. Screaming, don't let my feet touch the ground. I feel like a ship on an ocean of joy. I just want to holler about ship ahoy. Watch me around again,
do
baby.
that.
Around, around, around.
Maybe you shouldn't have any more donuts.
No, don't give him any more. They make him crazy. Jerry Lewis, no more donuts for the dog. Oh man, this is a terrible idea. What is this?
What's the around again?
Stop it!
Around.
Don't give him a bad idea.
My feet touch the ground. I feel like a ship on an ocean of joy. I just want to holler. Ship ahoy! What's the around again, baby? Around.
This has been Helpful Humanitarian Songs with Mr. Lunt. Tune in next time to hear Mr. Lunt say,
Don't give donuts to dogs.